Yeah.
It's recording, so you can talk to Maggie
Hi
now.
Maggie, it's Jazz. Welcome to Halo Free. Here's some funny stuff that I filmed.
This is Jazz blowing things up on the TV, Maggie.
Oh, that didn't work.
Why don't you tell her about your day real quick?
Well, it was a pretty good day at school.
And then what did you do when you got off the bus here today? What was the very, very first thing you did off the bus?
I hugged your mom.
Oh, yes you did. And then what did we do?
We came inside. I ate like a bagel with cream, and then like
cream cheese.
And I had chocolate milk.
Yes.
And
And now his dad said it's okay for him to have a cherry Coke, so he's going to have a cherry Coke also.
So it's okay for Dad. Dad said that I could have a cherry Coke, so I'm going to have a cherry Coke.
And what else what have we talked about since you've been here today? What kinds of stuff?
Like, I want a Siberian Husky.
We talked about a Siberian Husky.
Yeah. And
we talked about the fact that he doesn't think it's weird that I tell him I love him, and he doesn't find that odd at all, which is good.
Right.
And what else do we talk about?
We also talked about having a Siberian Husky and a wolf at the same time. And we're also talking about Balto movies.